Goodbye. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for making the time to come here. Pink Unity and Variante goes back a long way. We go back more than a dozen years ago. Today is about celebrating the joy of being alive and the love that we must have for each other. You know, if we can be anything, I think we must choose to be kind.
Leslie, he's not just kind. His kindness, his generosity, and his love for Pink Unity is more than anyone has ever given to Pink Unity. Give Leslie a big hand. Pink Unity is about strength, it's about hope, it's about living a beautiful life with cancer. And Leslie helps our ladies feel there's hope, there's strength, and there's beauty in our life daily. Most of us look beautiful today because many of us are wearing Leslie's design. And Leslie always knows how to make women feel beautiful. Thank you, Leslie.